This module is about Standard 7 of National Professional Standards. It has been titled as Effective Communication and Proficient Use of Information Communication Technologies. Information communication technologies are very recent development in communication, so teachers should be very good at communication regarding language as well as ICTs. So अभी इसको डिटेल में देखते हैं. First of all, we see the standard statement. Teachers use knowledge of effective verbal, non-verbal and written communication techniques and tools of information processing to foster the use of inquiry, collaboration and supportive interactions with students and पेरेंट्स के जो उनकी इंटरेक्शन हो पेरेंट्स के साथ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ दैट शुड आल्सो बी सपोर्टिव. इसमें मजीद क्या लिखा है दैट टीचर्स आर एबल टू यूज इंस्ट्रक्शनल एंड इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर करिकुलम एनरिचमेंट, इंस्ट्रक्शन, assessment and evaluation of learning outcomes. So communication is very important, or ICTs should be used as tool to promote students learning as well as to help teachers in their varying functions, maybe in assessment, in planning and in reflection too. So knowledge and understanding. Teachers know and understand the importance of verbal, non-verbal and written communication in the teaching and learning process. Operating and integrating technologies in classroom and laboratory activities. Use of computers as instructional research and evaluation tool. In today's world, computers are very important research tool. जो चीज़ें एक ज़माने में जाके लाइब्रेरी से आप हासिल करते थे, आज इंटरनेट के ऊपर वही चीज़ें जो हैं डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी में अवेलेबल हैं. सो इट सेव्स टाइम, बट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट टीचर्स नीड टू नो the use of computer. They should be ICT literate. If they are not ICT literate, they cannot use computers effectively. They cannot use the tool of ICTs. The last one, how to use available diverse technical tools, artwork, videos, cameras, phones, computers in their classrooms. Dispositions. Teachers value and are committed to being a thoughtful and responsive listener. Each teacher should be a responsive and thoughtful listener. Many times it has been seen that teachers are very good at speaking. They don't let their children speak. असल में चीज़ जो ये है कम्युनिकेशन के हवाले से दैट टीचर्स नीड टू बी वेरी पेशेंट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिव लिसनर्स. अगर आप रिस्पॉन्सिव लिसनर नहीं है यू कैन नॉट वैल्यू चिल्ड्रन. टीचर स्टूडेंट्स actually get a feeling that you are not valuing them. Teachers, your peers get a feeling that they are not being valued. So you need to value your peers, your colleagues as well as children. Fostering diversity of opinions among students, use of all educational and informational technologies to enhance different aspects of teaching and learning. Performance and skills. Teachers engage in activities to communicate clearly in local Urdu, English. These are 3 different languages, so teachers should be able to communicate clearly in all these languages using appropriate oral and written expressions. Reading reflectively in local language Urdu and English. Foster accurate reporting and sharing of facts, opinions and beliefs. बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा होता है कि टीचर्स जो हैं वो जो बात करते हैं तो साथ में उनको कहना पड़ता है कि मेरा मतलब ये नहीं था. तो wrong messages can be communicated. Teachers should be able to communicate very clearly ताकि उनको ये justify ना करना पड़े. Design and use students' report cards. Incorporate up-to-date information in lesson plans. Use diverse databases to supplement textbooks. तो ये जो तीनों चीज़ें आपको नज़र आई हैं दे आर रिलेटेड टू द यूज़ ऑफ ICTs डायरेक्टली. Develop students' portfolios, test items, assignments and assessment through computers. In nutshell, we can say that the standard is about one of the most important teaching skills, that is communication. The standard sets expectations for communication in terms of local language literacy, national language literacy, foreign language literacy and ICT literacy.